Nice easy one. Cabin or pollen filter. Full Transit Custom. This is a 2019 2 litre Eco Blue. So it's behind the glove box. So there's a little stay just up there. If you use your finger, press real hard. Wow, all your pound coins fall out of the glove box. Get the idea. You can just see the little stay there. You're just pushing this tab in to let your glove box fall forward. There's the front cover. Little tab there. Put that down. Cabin filter in there. Fiddly one-handed though. Destroy it because you've got no utensils and only one finger. It shouldn't be dirty, it shouldn't be too dirty. This has been serviced very regularly. I always ask them to include everything. Quite a bit of stuff in there though, quite a bit of dust and debris. Let's see what's going on in there, look. There's your fan. So notice the orientation. There's the new clean one. Don't destroy this one. It's quite rigid on the edges, but nowhere else. There we go. Remove the old one carefully onto the driveway. Oh yeah, maybe we ought to put the front cover on. Just a simple little... Jesus, use glasses and a light if you're as blind as I am. There's the front cover. And remember, we've just got to get through. It doesn't get any easier than that for changing any service item on any car, I don't think.